Sofa covers are one of the luxurious way of life for every home. It is the best decorative piece to renovate the room while also providing great protection of your favorite furniture. The sofa makes the living room more lively and allows us to sit comfortable and relax with family and friends. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I bring you home decoration and home design ideas. In this video, I'm going to show you modern sofa cover design ideas. Sofas come in all forms, shapes and size. The attraction of a sofa depends on many factors, including your living room design and color scheme, as well as your personal preference. There are fabric sofas, leather sofas, reclining sofas, sofas bed, and more. Each type of sofa has its own unique appeal and function. Slip cover sofas are more affordable than fixed color sofas and in more ways than more. If you intend to freshen up your living room and change the design of your sofa, such as the cost of buying a new sofa cover is dramatically lower. Taking out your sofa cover and sending it to the dry cleaners is more affordable than hiring expensive cleaning services. Floral print sofa cover can be used on all types of sofas. It has a beautiful flower print with warm and refreshing summer feel. It also gives your furniture protection from speeds, stains and wear to prevent it from getting spoiled. It is a perfect cover for you if you are looking for some refreshing print covers. Traditional sofa covers are the best sofa cover for your living room. It gives a classical traditional look to your sofa and also spruces up your living room. Easy to maintain and is a beautiful piece to cover your sofa with. White fabric sofa cover is a luxurious sofa cover. It gives your living room a royal look. White sofa covers are very pretty to look at, but it is challenging when it comes to maintaining. Because of the white color, you need to wash the cover frequently and you also have to make sure that you do not spill anything on the covers as it might leave to stain on it. Solid color sofa cover revamp your living room's decor with this sofa cover. This beautiful red color makes it a must-have sofa covers in your collection. This red color sofa with the white background looks lavish and memorizing. You can go for any solid color according to your living room wall color the sofa cover, or you can contrast the sofa cover with different elements of your living room. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, then subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.